Hi guys, good morning. It's Monday and back to work na naman tayo guys. So, as what you have noticed, katatapos ko lang din mag-prepare. So, samahan niyo ako guys na pumunta na sa work. Let's go guys! So, yan guys, nandito na ako sa work and since ilang days din ako naka-leave, tambak tayo ngayon guys ng mga paperworks and kailangan natin mag-backtrack ng ilang days kasi nga kailangan kong i-organize lahat ng documents ko and lahat ng mga nangyayari for the past days. So, anyway guys, since it's Monday, our agenda for today guys is to encode all the sales and then we will also backtrack all the things na nangyari last past days and ayusin ko lahat ng reports ko and yan, we will also check the passbook, lahat ng sales. So that would be my agenda for today guys. So anyway guys, please bear with my voice kasi nga masama yung pakiramdam ko kahapon pa. So sobrang pangit ng boses ko today. Pero anyway, dyan lang muna kayo guys and mag-work lang muna ako. So, yan guys, as what you have noticed, meron tayong pag-Jollibee today kasi nga birthday pala ni Kuya Nelven last day and every birthday kasi guys is meron binibigay yung company namin ng 500 pesos and he decided guys na i-treat kami for lunch pero since umuwi ako every lunch, kinain ko siya hapon na din. So, yan guys, dyan lang muna kayo and ubusin ko lang din muna yung pagkain ko. So, stay tuned guys! So, yan guys, still eating, and yan, I just wanna share with you guys na sobrang grateful ko lang din na nagkaroon ako ng leave for 5 days kasi nga kahit pa paano nakapagpahinga din ako. Pero now, back to work na naman tayo, and expected na ilang days din na magiging work yung vlog ko. So, it is all related to work lang. So, anyway, okay lang kasi yun naman talaga yung nagiging routine ko everyday. And I am hoping guys na hindi kayo magsawa sa panonood ng vlog ko. So, yun guys, dyan lang muna kayo and tapusin ko lang din muna yung pagkain ko. So, stay tuned guys! So, yan guys, patapos na din ako sa pagkain. So, that's all for today's video guys. Thank you guys for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Bye guys!